More medical experts took the stand today in the Derek Chauvin trial, including the doctor responsible for George Floyd's autopsy. He faced some tough questioning from defense attorney Eric Nelson.
Do you recall telling the county attorney's office that had you found Mr. Floyd under different circumstances, you would have determined this to be a fentanyl overdose?
So I don't recall specifically what I told the county attorney, but it almost certainly went something like this. Had Mr. Floyd been home alone in his locked residence with no evidence of trauma, and the only autopsy finding was that fentanyl level, then yes, I would certify his death as due to fentanyl toxicity. Again, interpretation of drug concentrations is very context dependent.
The chief medical examiner who ruled Floyd's death a homicide was the second expert to testify today. Earlier, a forensic pathologist said Floyd died from a lack of oxygen, not drugs. We have team coverage tonight, starting with Esme Murphy, who is live outside the courthouse from us. Esme?
Good evening, Aaron. Well, today we did hear from those two pathologists that you mentioned, including Dr. Andrew Baker, who did do the autopsy on George Floyd, an autopsy that listed his fentanyl use and his heart conditions as contributing to his death. Before Dr. Andrew Baker's testimony, packets of autopsy photographs were passed out to each juror and the parties. Derek Chauvin carefully went through what appeared to be the photographs, taking notes before putting them on his desk. Dr. Baker testified George Floyd had narrowing of arteries surrounding the heart.
He had very severe underlying heart disease. Mr. Floyd also had what we call hypertensive heart disease, meaning his heart weighed more than it should. So he has a heart that already needs more oxygen than a normal heart by virtue of its size.
Baker's autopsy lists law enforcement restraint and neck compression as part of the cause of death.
The law enforcement subdual restraint and the neck compression was just more than Mr. Floyd could take by virtue of those heart conditions.
He also lists contributing factors including heart disease, fentanyl intoxication, and methamphetamine use. Under cross-examination, Baker was asked about once describing the level of fentanyl in Floyd's body as a lethal amount.
Have you certified deaths as an overdose where the level of fentanyl was similar to the level of fentanyl in Mr. Floyd?
Yes.
Have you done so where levels were lower?
Before Dr. Baker, another prosecution expert witness, pathologist Dr. Lindsay Thomas, testified that it was definitely the police restraint causing a lack of oxygen that caused Mr. Floyd's death.
Was there any evidence to suggest that Mr. Floyd was suffering from a potentially fatal condition on the evening of May 25th, 2020?
No.
Do you have an opinion, to a reasonable degree of medical certainty, if Mr. Floyd would have died that night had he not been subject to the subdual and restraint of the police?
There's no evidence to suggest he would have died that night, except for the interactions with law enforcement.
Now, for the first time since jury selection, there was actually somebody sitting in Derek Chauvin's spectator seat during this trial. The pool reporter described the woman as being of Asian descent with curly hair. The pool reporter did ask her name and her connection to Chauvin. She did not answer. We also know that once again today, a member of George Floyd's family was in the courtroom, as they have been throughout the trial and throughout jury selection.
All right, another big day in court. Thank you, Esme. And remember, we're streaming the entire trial live on CBSN Minnesota, where in the past week, 16 witnesses have taken the stand, including the Minneapolis police chief, use of force experts, and medical experts.